this youth right here. Him name Snoop. Now, he's from the western part of Port of Spain. And the western part of Port of Spain is an area named St. James. That's one of the area. This guy right here, he's from St. James. Them call him Snoop 7. And him get fling way. Now, when I analyze this thing, you see, the 7 gang, they are more ruthless and backstabbing than the 6 man them, ABG, and even Z-Tech with Swan them. They're saying that this guy has been killed by a 6. But I think different. This guy Snoop, I heard from my intel that he had some funny ways. And when I say funny ways, I don't mean gay. Meaning that he was a show-off kind of guy. And him always have theme gun pon him, you know. Now more make one thing clear. You see, because he was a show-off kind of guy and was into himself, that don't give anybody the right to kill this guy. You understand? Even though me I talk about him, because you know, when in the ghetto, we have this thing where if me dress better than you, me buy one car, my house start paint up and look good, then you start bad mind me and say me show off. And me have a family member who the man them kill him dog, and it really pissed me off because the youth there, him was not angel, but him was a bossy brother, and because him bossiness, why them take him out. You see that family member there, him different than me, you know. Cause you see me jump in my car and I go about my business. Yo B, me not talk to blood clot people, yo. High and buy, and that's it. You want a juice, me buy a juice here. But me gone about my bumbo clot business. Yo B, me not sit down and lap tail with blood clot people in our neighborhood. You understand? And I just saw me stay. You understand? My family member different than me. I'm upset about it up to this day. But, you know, I kinda say, I make it go and sit down little. Cause me don't feel like if a man show off, that mean you for kill him. But I saw the friends them stay in the ghetto, and I saw people stay. So as mankind and human beings, this is what we have to deal with. Let's go. He's out there shooting real people, and then, like my homeboy said, want to go lime and think everything is normal. But in this case right here, when when I analyze it, cause he died with his gun on him. And I think he was killed by a member of his own team. That's why I said at the beginning of the video, the 7 man them ruthless, because I hear say Prezi beat all the man them. And you understand, him Prezi run theme thing, you know, like Hitler, under a tight regime. So pretty much he probably violate one of them guys, because like I said, he's from St. James, which is Rasta City, which Rasta City later on conformed to the 7 gang. Everybody knows that. So my intel and my investigation lead me to think that Snoop was killed by a 7. And like I say, he had an attitude, and he was, you know, bossy, as they would say, showboat, show off, always have him gun pon him. And to push part him their line, only a 7 could have come right there, so, and yam him food. And that's the way me feel. So like I said, the 7 them kind of ratchet, as they would say, and they will turn on you. So if you are a 7 member, don't be surprised if your own friend them want to kill you. That's all I'm saying. So this one right here is not a 6 or whatnot. It's a 7. Kill this brother. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.